Hi, this is the Cooking Elf. We're putting together our remarkably good and easy low-cost hat clone of the iconic McRib. Our first try was with ground pork. We tried many versions, and in this one, we seasoned the pork, then formed them into patties into the shape of the McRib. We cooked them in the oven at 350 degrees for 28 minutes, flipping halfway through. While they were cooking, we sauteed some onions. We toasted Arnold's hoagie rolls with the oven set on broil, buttered them, put our onions on them, followed by 3 pickles. We use Sonny's barbecue sauce because we like it and because it is similar to what is on the McRib, just sweeter. First we put some sauce on the roll, and then we dip the patty in the barbecue sauce before putting the sandwich together. Then it was time to taste. It looks good and juicy. It wasn't. It was just not a McRib. So we bought some ribs from 3 different restaurants to see if that worked before we set out to make our own. The ribs were great, but on a sandwich, they didn't taste like a McRib. The bottom line is, we don't want to ruin the ribs by putting them on bread with pickles. We ate the ribs and threw away the bread. That is not what a McRib is. A McRib is nothing more than lipstick on a pig. It is a cheap, fun sandwich that is bad for you, but fun on occasion. So...
That's what you want.
Yes, we are doing this. We are making fast food on the fly, or hat clone cheat sheet cliff note knockoff. We don't need to pretend that we don't like fast food every once in a blue moon. No need to cook a pig from scratch. This is the same kind of pressed form meat McDonald's uses. Arnold rolls were too doughy, so we used Pepperidge Farm soft white hoagie rolls and toasted the cut side in the broiler for about a minute or 2. Then we took our banquet patties and put them on the rolls, which we also added sauce to. We added 3 pickles and some onions. And, okay, it tasted kind of sort of good, but it did not have that McRib taste. It was not a McRib. The right sauce was needed. So, we took the riblets and put them in a paper towel to get the banquet sauce off, then added Sonny's sweet barbecue sauce to the roll and the patty. However, we recommend Hunt's original barbecue sauce, which is very close in taste to what McDonald's uses. Then we added our 3 pickles and some freshly sliced onions. And we are almost there. Just one more step to do after we show you what it looks like cut in half. Now for the final step, put the McRib in the microwave for 18 to 20 seconds for an 1100 watt microwave. This heats it up and gives it a better texture. Now we have a sandwich that tastes like a McRib. Here's our clone ingredients. If you go to Walmart, the ribs come 6 to a container and are $2.97. The rolls are $2.78. Hunt's is $1.18, so each McRib costs a little more than $1. The ribs can be pre-cooked and kept in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. That means you can have 6 fast food McRibs ready in 5 minutes or less for about $1 each. The idea here was to veer off into convenience and fun and actually make an easy McRib. Let us know what you think.